Many recipes from soups to savory pies call for an onion. Here's a simple guide to picking the right variety for every dish. 1. Alliums, onions, garlic, leeks, scallions are a staple in every home cook's kitchen. Whether they're tucked into a quiche or caramelized and folded into mac and cheese, onions add immense flavor to any dish. Choosing the right one for whatever you're cooking will help you achieve the best and most delicious results. Here's a simple guide to understanding what each type of onion has to offer. 2. Yellow onions. If a recipe doesn't specify what type of onion to use, your safest bet is a yellow onion. Yellow onions are your standard cooking onion. I always reach for a yellow onion unless I have some other reason to reach for something else, says Kim Redden, the Director of Public and Industry Relations for the National Onion Association. The yellows hold up extremely well over that process of caramelizing because it is a long, slow heat. Try our simple technique to caramelize onions. 3. Sweet onions. Popular sweet onions include Vidalias, Walla Wallas and Mauis. These well-known varieties have a pale yellow skin. The inside may look white but they are yellow, says Redden, who fields questions about onions as the onanista. If you're looking for an onion that tastes amazing raw in salads, relishes or chopped as a garnish, go for sweet onions. They just have that mild onion flavor with a touch of sweetness that you can use in several things. Try our tried and true recipe for sweet onion pie. 4. Red onions. Red onions are ubiquitous on salads, sandwiches and other raw preparations partly because of their appealing deep purple color. Redden warns, however, red onions, specifically, can have a peppery, spicy flavor to them. This variety is sweetest from March to September. Red onions pair well with equally strong flavored greens such as kale or arugula. Redden also recommends red onions for roasting, grilling, and pickling. Check out our easy orange and red onion salad recipe. 4. White onions. White onions are commonly found in prepared salads, potato and macaroni salads, for instance, and traditionally in Mexican cuisine. White onions can be strong but they tend to have less aftertaste. Redden says, their slightly sweet taste adds to fresh salsas, guacamole, ceviche, and tacos. They're also commonly served up in barbecue establishments with a plate of meat, pickle, and sides. 6. Shallots. Shallots have a mild onion flavor. These bulb-shaped alliums taste like a garlic-onion hybrid. In French cooking, shallots are used in vinaigrettes and sauces, as well as on top of the steak. When a recipe calls for a shallot and you don't have one, you can likely substitute another type of onion for it. Try our favorite chicken thighs with shallots and spinach recipe. If you learned something today, give the video a like and share it with your friend.